Okay, so I'm on my way back home after seeing the degree show at Coleg Menai. Really nice work. Really like the students there, and the faculty that I've met seem really nice as well. I'm always impressed with the standard of work that they come out with, and also how much freedom the students seem to get with their expression in their work. So there was very interesting interviews and got to see a lot of really interesting work. I tried to film as much as possible, and now I am on my way back. I've had lots of inspiration, so I will funnel all of that into the creative process this evening and see what I come out with. But it's always a pleasure, and I'm glad that I could show you the interesting, talented work by the artists in North Wales. So there we are. Normally when I start these videos, I try to give some kind of number of the submission for the challenge that this drawing or painting will be, but I've completely lost track of that. If I get any kind of sense of where I am in the challenge, then I will type it up in the description of the video. So if you're interested, it should be in the description somewhere. Maybe not immediately, it might take me a little bit longer to get there, but they're out of sequence basically. For this one you can see that I did a nice light drawing. I'm very used to the oil pastels at this point, so I'm pretty quick with how I get down what I need to do in order to make a portrait work, and it shows how it is a little bit out of sequence, and there will be a few oil pastel portraits coming up, but I really enjoyed them. I like the idea that it was different people, different poses, and different colours that were needed in order to execute what was going to complement and create this personality that I was looking at in the reference. The reference here is this is someone who's on YouTube. He's I think the producer of someone's channel, and just a very nice personality, this chap. So I think he's called Dan Swerdlow or something like that. I don't know, Swirlow. I don't really know his name, but very nice guy, or he seems like it anyway. And I thought I'll quickly get down his image, because you can see it's just a really nice 3/4 there, and he's got a good expression on his face. I like his beard and the beanie and the headphones. It all just adds a bit of interest to me, so I thought this one will be a nice quick portrait, and it is just to catch up when I've fallen behind, and I'm so far behind these days that I'll probably have to just run on with the challenge way past the date when it would have ended